What is up, lads and ladies, it's Edward here and welcome back to another video. Yeah, we're back and we're doing another weekly update. I thought I'd definitely give it a go, something worth trying out, plus I've got a couple of things to update on. The actual camera has come. Yeah. So as you open it up, boom. Oh, boom. Things, and I've got a lot of ideas that I'm thinking this will come in very useful for. It's coming with a bit of kit as well, and pretty decent actually, nice little box as well. And in this vlog later on, I think basically what I'm going to do is a bit of a weekly thing and just put anything special that happens in the vlog itself. But right now, Friday, edited the vlog, got my brownie, got my apple, yeah, let's get cracking. You also want to know why I've not been uploading as much? Because my bloody edit software has crashed, and it does this every single time. Look, I can't even close it, and that's just one of them. The other one just decides to shut down whenever it wants, so it's really painful. It's literally just all gone. File not found, and it's taken away everything. This is the problem I have to put up with this. This is why I don't get to upload many videos. Sick to death of this. I'm sick to death of it. But on another note, FIFA have just released the items for one to watch. So there's not one, but two Everton players.
Hey, Hank. You'll bang a couple. Got a mad dog run today. 10k run, should be fun. Yeah. Ready?
I got stamina. Running out, close my eyes, but I got stamina. I see another mountain to climb, but I got stamina. I need another lover with my
Riding on a bike. Shooting.
fingers high. I got stamina. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, no, no. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, no, no, no. I'm free to be the greatest time alive.
Halfway. Can we walk again, please? Can we walk again, please? Yeah.
Hey, I work hard, pray hard, pay dues. Hey, I transform with pressure. I'm hands on whatever. I failed twice before. I bounce back, my special. Get down, so get you. Give the critics a tissue, but the strongest survive. Another scar may bless you.
Seven, 6, come on! Yes! Thank you.